Hello, welcome to another Stockyard video. My name is Richard Whittington, Sales Executive for Stockyard Beef, and I'm here with Leslie Stronach. Chef Leslie is here to do a dish today. Very special dish using our Stockyard grain-fed beef. So looking forward to it. Let's get into it. I thought I'd take the opportunity to just talk to you guys about the tri-tip we're using for the curry. So this is a tri-tip. It's a rump cut, a very beautiful flavour, very robust, similar to the cap in terms of flavour profiles, I think. To cut the tri-tip, you need to be considerate of the grain. It almost looks like it goes one way, but it kind of spreads out. So you've got grain going this way, grain going this way. So generally people will break it into two and then slice against the grain for the stews, which is what we've done here for Chef Leslie.
Thank you very much.
I think it'll come up a treat.
Okay, recipe number 2 is tri-tip beef massaman, my style. What I'm going to do first is I've got a beautiful stock on here, which has got in there. It's got a little bit massaman paste. I like to make the stock, then reuse it. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook the beef in here for approximately an hour and a quarter until it's fork tender. And after that, we'll make it into the curry. So here we go. We'll just leave this on here poached nice and slowly. I don't like to make the beef cook too fast. I just want to slowly poach it. The rest, the condiments we'll do cook later in the curry, as we got the paste here. We have the potato, we have the onion, and some lovely coconut cream. And of course, we finish with the peanuts. We're going to now to stage 2 of the massaman. We've poached the beef so it's nice and fork tender for the last 2 hours because I did it slowly. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cook a little bit of the massaman paste off. As I said, you add as much as you want. Like me, I add a little bit more than what my recipe says because I'm a spice addict. What we're going to do is just cook this out a little bit. Then we're going to add half of the coconut cream. Mix it in well. Don't let it boil too much. Let it boil too much, you're going to let it split too early. Then we add in the beef. Incorporate the beef in. Then we'll add the remaining coconut. We're going to add a little bit of palm sugar, and at the end we can add more palm sugar to flavour it. Just to balance the taste, because the main 2 items for taste is the fish sauce and the palm sugar. So what we're going to do now is we'll just cook this for another 20 minutes. Then we're going to add the potato and onion and the peanut and just cook that for a further 15 minutes. And your beef massaman will be ready. Come back later, we'll show you the finished one. So, now we're ready to serve the beef massaman. I've left the peanuts, they'll be nicely roasted on top. Give it a little garnish there. You can actually have some crispy shallots here if you want. So this is beef massaman made with tri-tip, served with steamed rice. Bon appetit.